June 1st, 2026, a historic chapter in Tibetan democracy is unfolding right now in Dharamshala. For the very first time in 60 years, the Tibetan Parliament-in-Exile has selected a woman to lead the house as its speaker. Today, Dolma Tsering Teykhang officially took her oath of office as the Speaker of the 18th Tibetan Parliament-in-Exile, stepping into a definitive leadership role for the next 5 years. Looking back at the decades-long journey of Tibetan democracy, women have rarely held top leadership. Only 2 have ever reached the position of Deputy Speaker, a milestone Dolma Tsering herself previously achieved. To put this milestone into perspective, look at the world's 2 largest democracies. In India's history, only 2 women have ever served as the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. In the United States, only 1 woman, Nancy Pelosi, has ever broken that barrier to become Speaker of House. Today, Tibetan democracy joins that exclusive global club.
I think to every youth who are aspiring to be part of the struggle for Tibet, I think being a Tibetan woman, especially the young girls and ladies, will feel that if you really are dedicated and you are having, you do the perseverance of serving at bottom up level, you can reach at a time where everybody really wishes you to see at a place where you cannot say no. So I think the legacy would be how to govern ourselves by not losing our compassion, not losing our coolness, because in democratic society, difference of opinion is sure to occur. But then how do we combine together, rise above our differences and build that unity so that the aspirations of Tibetans both inside and outside are fulfilled?
This breakthrough is culmination of the vision started decades ago. Immediately after coming into exile, His Holiness the Dalai Lama began transforming the Tibetan governance system into a modern democracy. Recognizing that society cannot thrive without the voices of women, His Holiness deliberately pushed for women's representations as early as 1964 by creating reserved seats, actively empowering Tibetan women to step into political leadership. But behind this massive milestone lies another, more sobering side to the election. This year, overall female representation in the parliament dropped dramatically, hitting a 20-year low. Out of 45 lawmakers, there are now only 9 female candidates on the floor, and among them, 6 only secured their seats through the reserved quota system. This legislative shift comes at a crucial turning point. The next 5 years are deeply critical for the Tibetan freedom movement and its democratic future, especially as His Holiness the Dalai Lama turns 95 during this parliamentary term. The decisions made in this whole over the next 5 years will shape the trajectory of the freedom struggle for generations to come. Speaker Dolma Tsering brings a lifetime of preparation to this immense responsibility. Long before steering the parliament, she dedicated nearly 3 decades of her life to the education of the exiled community, serving for 26 years as a school teacher across various Tibetan refugee schools. Her deep political journey is backed by an extensive 20 years legislative records, having served as a vocal member of parliament through 5 consecutive terms since 2001.